Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare banana fritters. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do like, comment, share, and also you can click the notification button so that you get my content every time I post. The ingredients that I'm going to use are a half cup of baking flour, a quarter cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, it's optional, salt, sugar, 2 bananas, and 1 egg. Let's get to the next step. First, I'm going to beat my egg. It's ready. I'll set it aside. I'm going to add baking flour in my container. I add milk, a pinch of salt, and I'll add 2 tablespoons of sugar, vanilla essence, and egg. Then I'm going to mix everything together. The consistency is okay. Let's get to the next step. After peeling, here are my bananas. I'm going to put these sticks. You can also use a toothpick, it's very much fine. This is how they look. I'm going to dip them in the mixture. You coat it nicely. Then you set aside. After that, let's get to the next step. Cooking oil is ready, so I'm going to place one by one. And it is a very simple recipe. You should try it out. They are ready. I'm going to set them aside. Our banana fritters are ready. You can see how lovely they look. And ensure when you're preparing your fritters, you cook them under low heat, and the cooking oil should not be so much heated because they'll burn. You should try it out and let me know how it turned out. Remember to hit the subscribe button, comment, share. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.